Tools are useful, but what if they're not? What if you make tools useless, like hammer?
The hammer is obvious. Every time you swing your hammer back, the lock opens and lets the hinged top part of the hammer fall back. I then drove to my dad to disassemble and reassemble the hammer back with hinges, glue, thoughts and prayers. After strapping all the electronics to the hammer, it looks like this. It is fucking huge. But if you're now trying to swing in a nail, it is falling off. Not approved by the FDA, deemed to any other quality control organization. Keep out of your children. May contain nuts, may emit up to 135 ppm or more. But what if a soup kettle can't pick up soup? Huh? God, please kill. The moment the kettle touches the soup, the fluid conducts two wires that will send a signal to an Arduino to swing the kettle back. You might start to see a pattern resemble, but trust me, the next one will be different.
And there is my spoon. Look at this. It's already inconvenient how big it is, like the last one. So if you dunk it in, oh, it flings back. Wow, it comes really close to the electronics, but I'm really trying to pick up some water here, but really, yeah, I'm trying my best. No, it is doing, fuck, it is spilling everywhere. It works. It works way better than I thought it would work, okay? Inconvenience spoon or chop.
Bottles are kind of like tools, right? My plan was similar to the previous one, but also not. Let me explain. The moment a reasonable amount of water is in the bottle, two wires will conduct and send a signal to activate an igniter to burst the bottom of the bottle. Kind of like the squibs that have been used by Mr. Beast for his Squid Game video. I tried doing that on an actual bottle, but the plastic was way too strong. So I tried it by removing the bottom and replacing it with plastic foil. And even one igniter wasn't enough.
God, it didn't even work.
So I added more.
Oh, fuck, dude, that scared the shit out of me.
Well, cry more. But look at this leakage. Alright, I'm stretching the definition of tools, but fans! When the fan starts up, it will blow away a light conductor that is also the electricity source of the fan, turning it obviously off. So I stole a demolished fan of my neighbor's porch and glued a pathway for the conductor to it.
And that's basically it. I just need to add the conductor and— Hello guys, I have to come clean to you. I lied. I used movie magic, but you know that already. You see, it didn't work. The foil that was attached to the wires was blocking the pathway for the wind to blow away the conductor, meaning I have to use a completely different way to detect wind. And how? Well, future me will figure that out. I'm future me and I figured it out. And here it's built. Actually, the technique behind that is way simpler than the last one. It is just this piece of tinfoil that is just flying away the moment the fan gets turned on. And here you can see it's the similar conductor technique. Now this version is 10 times more dangerous, but I don't care, so let's power this sucker up. It doesn't come to a full start. It's always giving you like a bad wind flow. Yeah, honestly, I would be annoyed as fuck if this is what my ventilator would be doing. Was that even really English? I don't care. Now, if you enjoyed the video, consider leaving a like and maybe subscribing. And if you really enjoy my content and you want to see more of me, I have some helpful links down in my description. But no pressure. Yeah, bye. I don't know how to end this video.